Hello and a very warm welcome to Festool TV. My name is Allan. The ETS EC 150 is a great compact, robust sander. The ETS EC range has a random orbit or eccentric motion, which is perfect for achieving great results quickly while minimizing swirl marks. On a random orbit sander, it is important to let the sander do all the work and to not apply pressure to the sander. All you do is guide it around the work surface. We have two versions of the ETS EC 150. One has an orbit of 3 mm, the other 5 mm. The smaller the orbit, the finer the finish. The 3 mm orbit is great for finishing on solid surface, resins, veneers, and lacquered paint finishes. The 5 mm orbit model is a great all-rounder for most applications. There is also the ETS EC 125 version, which is the same sander but with a 125 mm sanding base with a 3 mm sanding orbit. Thanks to the brushless motor, Festool have achieved a low-profiled, ergonomic, light and nicely balanced sander with very low vibrations, which can comfortably be used on horizontal and vertical faces. The Festool plug-and lead system means you can have one lead in your workspace and power multiple Festool tools off the one lead, helping you keep your working environment clear. The on-off switch is cleverly designed and positioned so that you can't accidentally turn the sander on, but it is easy to get to. The body is designed to easily swap the sander from your left to right hand, and you can also comfortably hold the sander at the back, helping you reach a little higher when decorating. It is always good to adjust the speed of the sander to the material you are sanding. The speed dial on the ETS EC is here. By sanding at high speeds, more heat is generated than at lower speeds, and some surfaces like paint and plastics can soften when sanded at higher speeds because it gets hot, then the abrasive starts to clog. So try turning the speed down, which increases the life of the abrasive and improves surface finish. Festool tools are designed around efficient extraction, and the ETS EC 150 sander is no different. It features the Festool sander base called MJ2, which stands for Multi-Jet Stream 2. It is perfectly balanced, delivering lower vibrations. The extraction is super efficient, even right to the edge of the base, with these guided channels for pulling waste in. All the holes shown here in blue is blowing air out. This airflow keeps the sander base and abrasive cooler and blows waste to the holes which are extracting the waste in, shown here in red. By using Festool abrasives, the holes will align perfectly to the Multi-Jet Stream 2 sanding base, and you will gain the full benefit of the airflow around the base. If you combine all the Festool elements, namely the abrasives, the Multi-Jet Stream 2 sanding pads, the sander, the hose, and the extractor, the whole ecosystem delivers a perfect finish with superb extraction. When sanding with a Festool system, it is best to turn the extraction airflow down on the extractor. The sander will then move around the material more freely, and this also increases the efficiency of waste removal. The Multi-Jet Stream 2 is available in different densities for different applications. The blue is hard, and this helps you keep edges sharp and crisp and surfaces flat. The ETS EC 150 comes with a soft base, which is a great all-rounder for most applications. And then there is also the ultra soft base that allows the abrasives to contour over undulations on the surface and to work with profiles. The ultra soft base can also help achieve a finer finish. You can even further increase the softness by the addition of an interface pad. Behind the base is the sanding pad brake, which is tipped with carbide. The brake prevents the sanding pad from spinning too quickly when there is in a no-load state, and this means you can switch the sander on and bring it to the surface without producing scratches. It also helps break the disc after you switch the sander off, so you can put it down straight away. The built-in full-wave electronics has 4 features constantly working to make the sander more efficient, creating a better finish and reducing vibrations. Firstly, the electronics gives a nice smooth controlled startup of the sander. Second, the electronics is constantly monitoring the motor to ensure the speed remains the same with or without load. This ensures a uniform cutting speed. The third feature is that the sander has thermal overload protection, protecting the motor from damage. And finally, the full wave electronics has sensors monitoring the vibration levels. If the vibration levels increase, for example using an interface pad, the speed of the sander is reduced to protect the sander and reduce vibrations to your hands. All the very clever elements of the ETS EC 150 sander combine into a perfect package that is an absolute joy to use. For additional support, there is also the Festool Warranty All-Inclusive package. Warranty All-Inclusive offers incredible after-sales support. But please remember to download the Festool Work app and register your new ETS EC 150 to receive these benefits. My name is Allan. Thank you for watching Festool TV.